the heart of every soul, a choice we hold. To be great together or alone and cold.
Within us, the power to shape our own decree, decide our destiny, and set our spirits free.
With minds as guides, we chart our course ahead, believing in our success, where the bright future spreads.
Embrace the present, let go of what's behind, for every word and thought shapes the canvas of our mind.
In the landscape of beliefs, our desires bloom and sway, painting our horizon where our ambitions play. Hungry for life's offerings, curious to explore, generosity our compass, abundance we implore.
Generosity, a key, unlocks the universe's door. Giving without restraint leaves us wanting nothing more.
We rise above the carrot, reaching for the stars. Our minds expand, transcending what once were bars.
Words of success and regret. In different worlds they reside. Choose our theme wisely. Let negativity subside.
A single word of positivity opens boundless possibilities wide. The power of the mind, where time can be defied.
Success is a choice, a stylish, soaring flight, a journey we embark on with all our might. Citizens of the world,
Entrepreneurs, lion hearts
we claim our destiny's masters. We're not the same.
We're not the same. We're not the same. Ride the horse of freedom, conquer doubt's dark beast. Look to the skies above, let our vision be increased. The world awaits our touch. Our heart's a boundless sea. To choose is to embrace our power to decree. With courage and with vision, we take the first step true. Embrace the path of freedom, our mission to pursue. Lead the way to greatness. In kindness we believe. Citizens of the world, entrepreneurs, lion hearts, together we shall achieve. In unity we stand.
In unity we stand.
In unity we stand.
In our hearts,
A fire to ignite. I salute you
alphas, as we journey
towards the light. I matter.
We
We matter.